It's the Executioner, the Hardcore Champion, and the TV Champion. Just won it from Soul Survivor after that jump. Then a hard hit from the tank from behind. It's got a super cheap shot on him. And here comes the rest of it. The rest of the KCW locker room came out. See who's going to come out next. This is a fatal four-way match.
Alright.
The tank, one of the first people to come out and jump the Soul Survivor. Also the Intercontinental Champion. He's coming out next. It's the Illusion. Back again. Ready for action. Getting in the ring. This is the fatal four-way, people. We just got message in that Soul Survivor is injured. He says that Tank needs to watch his back. And it's the Street Fighter. There he is. Ding ding!
Come on, you piece of crap.
Still continuing to fight outside the ring. Dropped him on the ground. This is a no disqualification fatal four-way match. Hard kick. That means anything goes. There's the Execution. Once again, I do need to remind you folks at home, this is a fatal four-way, no disqualification match. That means anything goes, no count out. Oh, and a hit with the title. Oh! I don't even know what's going on. Oh! Action going on everywhere. A low blow to the tank. Maybe some double teaming. Oh! Oh! Some hard hitting action.
Ref! Come on, Ref, where you at?
Oh! Backdrop. Backdrop. There's two backdrops in a row. Get a nice little KCW bird's eye view. The Illusion with the microphone. Oh!
on, ref!
Broke up.
Street cutter time.
Calling for the street cutter. Street fighter is. Is he gonna hit it? Oh! He got it. Oh! Oh!
Come on, ref, where you at? 1, 2. What do I have to do?
I just saw Soul Survivor come in.
Oh, crap. Oh.
This match is about ready to go to its time limit. Someone needs to end it right now. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. The illusion has won.